Hey everyone, thank you for visiting our Speak English Smarter YouTube channel.
Yeah, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button.
Hi, Alex. Welcome back to Learn English with Sarah. I'm Sarah, your English tutor. Today, we're going to learn the simple present tense. Don't worry, it's very easy and very useful.
Okay, that sounds good.
We use it to talk about daily routines, habits, and things that are always true.
Oh, like everyday life.
Exactly. Let's start with the basics, subjects and verbs. A subject is the person or thing that does the action.
Okay.
For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
I, you, he, she.
Good. Now, a verb is the action word, like wake, eat, drink, or feel.
So, verbs are actions.
Yes, exactly. In English, the subject comes first, then the verb. For example, I wake up.
Got it. Subject first, then verb.
Great. Now we use the simple present tense for things we do every day or all the time.
Okay.
For I, you, we, and they, we use the base verb.
No change to the verb.
Right. But for he, she, or it, we usually add s or es.
Ah, this is the tricky part.
Yes, but you'll get it. We add s or es to the base verb.
So, she eat breakfast.
Almost perfect. We say she eats breakfast.
Oh, okay. She eats breakfast.
Perfect. One quick tip. Most verbs just add s, like eat to eats. But if a verb ends in o, ch, sh, s, or x, we add es. For example, go to goes, watch to watches. Don't worry, just remember this slowly.
Okay. Add es for those endings.
Exactly. Now let's talk about routines, things you do every day. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Okay. I wake up at 7 every morning.
Perfect. Now let's talk about facts, things that are always true. For example, the sun rises in the east.
The sun rise in the east?
Good try, but remember, the sun is it, so we add s. The sun rises in the east.
Right. Rises. The sun rises in the east.
Excellent. Now let's practice positive sentences. The structure is simple. Subject plus verb.
Okay.
I drink coffee. She drinks coffee. Your turn. Tell me something you do every day.
I drink coffee every morning.
Nice. Now let's make questions. We use do or does.
Do. Does.
Do you wake up early? Does he feel tired?
Do you drink coffee every morning?
Yes, I do. Now let's look at negative sentences. We use do not or does not.
Okay.
I do not wake up late. She does not eat junk food.
She don't drink coffee.
Nice try. Because it's she, we say she doesn't drink coffee.
Ah, okay. She doesn't drink coffee.
Perfect. We also use time words like always, usually, sometimes, and every day.
I hear these a lot.
For example, I usually stretch in the morning.
So I always feel tired in the morning.
That's correct and very honest. Let's do quick repeat practice. I feel happy in the morning.
I feel happy in the morning.
She eats toast.
She eats toast.
Very good. Remember, we use the simple present for habits, routines, and facts.
Okay, that's clear.
Now, one last thing. Tell me one routine sentence.
I wake up and stretch every day.
Excellent job, Alex. You're doing great. See you in the next lesson.
Awesome. Everyone, comment your routine below using present tense. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.
Thank you, Sarah. You make learning so enjoyable. Bye, everyone.